Hey guys, today we're gonna be fishing in Montana for trout, brown trout, rainbow trout, and brook trout in this creek right here, this river. I'm trying to catch some big ones. We got an ultralight rod. We're gonna be using a worm and hook and a split shot. So let's get to fishing for some trout. Here we go, guys. Yeah, my dad just got one. Oh, it came off. Oh, crap!
Oh, yeah!
Let's go, guys. Oh, crap. No. Oh, my dad got one too. Look at that, guys. It's a nice one. There he goes. Catch some more. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, it came off. I'm getting a lot of hits, guys. Second one of the day, guys. Calm down.
Get over here.
There we go. There we go. Third one. Holy crap.
That's not even a rainbow.
A nice one.
Brook trout.
Oh, cool fish over here.
There we go, guys. This is our fourth one, I think. Crap. There we go. Put him back. There he goes. Catch some more. Got one, guys. Nice trout. There we go. There we go. Another nice trout. Here we go. There we go, guys. Another nice one. It's a pretty big one. Got one, guys. Here we go. Nice one up there. There we go. No. There we go. A nice one. Let's throw this thing back. Okay guys, that will be the end of fishing in Montana. We're leaving Montana tomorrow. We're going back home. It's a 26-hour drive, but I had a lot of fun today. I caught a ton of trout, like probably 10 or more, and they were pretty decent. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.